I can put this in it. Yeah, okay. Yeah, in 2 days when you see it, you're gonna go, oh, did your girlfriend kick you with her stiletto?
You need to
no,
wear
listen,
gloves.
you're gonna see that.
Meatballs natin, guys. Ilagay ko na siya sa oven. Sauce natin. Hi, guys! Good morning! Dito ako sa harap ng dental clinic. Pero tapos na ako nagpa-cleaning, guys. Ayan yung clinic ko dyan, oh. Malapit lang to sa bahay namin. Pwede siyang lakarin. Tapos na akong nagpa-dental cleaning. So, let's go to the grocery store. Kasi bibili ako ng mga ingredients for guys. Magluluto ako ng chicken meatballs. So, yes, samahan nyo ako. Pero magdadrive muna ako, guys. Safeway. Ayan, ligpit na ni Mister. Sumakit yung ulo niya kasi hindi niya alam saan niya ilalagay yung ibang abobot. Ito yung mga pinamili ko, guys. Hindi ko siya didisturbuhin yung daanan niya, guys. May binayaran ako sa ngipin ko kasi may siya. Yung fluoride at saka laser. Yung allergy ko o matake, hindi ko alam. Wala namang nagbo-bloom na mga ngayon, plants kasi nga winter. Hindi ko alam allergy ba siya or sipon. Pero wala akong nararamdaman dito lang. So bumili ako ng milk. Eto. And then, favorite cookies ni Mr. kasi wala na siyang cookies, guys. Ito yung favorite na cookies niya. Before siya matutulog, nalaba si Mr. Kasi kumakain siya bago natulog, guys. Matutulog. So, ayan. Masarap to na cookies. Oatmeal, may raisins, may cranberry, dried cranberries, and then walnut. Ito yung favorite ni Mr. At saka ni Diana pala. Mahal ang itlog ngayon ay. Alam niyo ba ito is nasa to guys? $9 something. Mahal ang itlog ngayon dito. Kasi nga, maraming manok na natamaan ng bird flu ata. So, yeah. Ito, spinach. Pumunta pa ako ng ng Sprout kasi walang ground chicken sa guys. Sa Safeway. So, ito sa Sprout ko yung binili. Ito is a Safeway ground pork. And then, nangadatugan ng mga tail. Ito parsley, and then onions, ricotta cheese, kasi yan yung gagamitin ko for my, chicken meatballs with white sauce. Bumili ako ng avocados. And then, si Liam, kanina hindi siya kumain. Siguro dahil ang kinain niya na bread kahapon, pandesal, is I think 12 pieces. Yata yung kinain niya kahapon. So, hindi siya kumain ng pandesal kanina. Siguro yung bata na busog pa, guys. Yung ininom lang niya is chocolate milk. Ito, favorite din niya to na bread. Si Brianna hindi masyado sa bread. Si Liam talaga makabread si Liam. Half and half. Heavy whipping cream, parmesan, and garlic. So, yan. Yung gagamitin ko for my chicken meatballs. So,
I smacked my shin. Ah, damn it. I'm gonna have a bruise there.
siya pwede
What's
pala.
the lid for this thing? Or what's this lid? Because it's not for this.
No, it's not really for that, but
where's this? The box for this lid? Weird.
no. So, ito, pagsama-samahin ko to guys. Ayan. Then, magligpit muna ako ng kusina. Kasi tapos na palang kumain si Amo. Eh, hindi nagligpit ng kusina si Amo. Guys, tingnan niyo kasi. Ang dami.
I'm not going to complain about those soccer players going down when they get hit. It
At
hurts.
least they have shin guard.
You know what? No, they don't. Those professionals, they don't wear.
I
Do they wear shin guards?
I think your job is to be really a pilot, not just working in the house because you always get injured, cut your fingers,
No, it's. Do they wear shin guards?
Yeah.
Do they in the
Yeah.
professionals? How come they always go down? They put a sock down there, bleeding on their.
Yeah, but sometimes, it's, even you wear shin guards, you always, you get hurt.
You gotta get hit.
Yeah. So yeah, perfect lang talaga na pang piloto yung trabaho ng asawa ko. Kasi lagi yan siya,
I can put this in it.
ouch!
Okay. Yeah, in 2 days when you see her, you're gonna go.
Yeah.
Oh, did your girlfriend kick you
That's
with her
why
stiletto?
you need to
No,
wear
listen.
gloves.
You're gonna see
But
that, and my leg, you're gonna go. Oh, did your girlfriend kick you with a
that's why you need
stiletto?
to wear gloves and
I know. I need shin guards
Yeah.
and gloves. I know. Spacey.
Okay, I want to sprout. I want to say, boy, I can find a good
You can't find what?
asparagus.
Oh, okay. Well, maybe later when I take the kids to soccer, I can go over to Fry's and see if they have it.
Yeah. Yung dala pala ni Mr. galing Japan, guys. Masarap to. Hindi ko siya alam. Pero maitim yung... Maitim. Itim yung laman ba? Ano yata to? Yung black beans? Yata to. Kasi wala namang English na nakapangalan. Wala namang English na nakasulat, guys. Japanese siya. Pero, masarap. Yan, naubos ko na yung isa. This is good.
Huh?
This is
Is that good?
Yeah. I won't make coffee.
That's weird. I don't know why there's a missing container that fits this, and there's a missing.
I don't know. We've been using that for a long
This
time.
is not the same. That doesn't fit at all. It's not even close. That one almost does, but I know that that one goes with that. So I don't know what.
Yung dentista, pag magpapaklean ka dito ng ngipin, guys, may bibigay silang mga ano, pa-free na mga toothpaste and toothbrush. And, ano ba to? Nag-loading ako. Ayan o. Floss and more floss. Yan. So, ganito dito. I'm not sure sa Pilipinas. Kasi, wala nga. Kasi last time, nagpapaklining si Mr. Wala namang binibigay ng mga freebies. yung chicken, guys. Lagay ko muna sa fridge. And then mamaya, i-shape ko ng scoop ko siya dito sa ice cream scoop para medyo malalaki yung meatballs natin. Gumawa ko ng coffee. Kasi magkakain na ng breakfast. Lunch. So, ito yung brunch. Okay, guys. Strawberry, raspberry, and then cottage cheese. Cottage cheese ba to? Coffee natin, guys. Oh. Mawas na. Hindi na ako bumibili sa Starbucks. Ito na. Kaya katipid tayo sa Nespresso, guys. And then, kain muna ako, guys. Guys, ito na yung Alfredo sauce natin. May extra pa ako na mozzarella cheese. Mamaya ko na yung nilagay. And then, yung meatballs natin, guys, ilagay ko na siya sa oven. Lutuin ko lang ito siya for 20 minutes and then inahalo ko na siya sa sauce. Luto na yung food natin, guys. Kulang na lang, nalutuin ko is yung asparagus kasi mabilis yung maluto. Satay ko lang yan sa garlic. And then, matagal na ako hindi nakainom ng wine, guys. So, inom tayo ng wine. White wine. Para feel talaga yung Italian meatballs. Italian yung food natin ngayon. Italian/American meatballs. Papakita ko sa inyo. Lagyan ko lang siya ng para maganda yung kulay niya, guys. Lagyan ko siya ng spinach. Halo sa white sauce. And then, the kids will be having broccoli, steamed broccoli. And then kami ni Mr. Maliliit yung asparagus. Gusto ko sa asparagus yung yung malalaki ba? Ito super payat. Yan payat siya. Are you ready to eat? Not yet. And then salad namin.
You're not all coming in here, are you?
No, we're trying to find
what?
Salad.
What?
Come on, guys. Are you done playing?
We're not hungry.
You're not hungry.
From mail.
No, the mail is just some paper.
Come on.
You should be looking for your.
I'm not hungry.
Okay.
Is that a new one, honey?
What? Yeah. You bought that.
Oh,
Never
I know.
opened
Did you
it.
open it yet?
Yeah.
Just now.
Just now.
Guys, I don't know. You're in and out of the house. I don't know.
I know.
What is your new thing? You go in and out, in and out.